Hey guys, Mac Jeffy here. Welcome back to another video. So today another package has came, so let's see what it is. It's in bubble wrap, so why is it in bubble wrap? That's weird. So yeah. It's in a sandwich bag for some reason. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah. Here it is. This is my 1995 Toy Story Stealth Buzz figure. Oh yeah, that's me. Sorry about that. And it looks really good. And now it does have originally had some rocket boosters, but the one I bought didn't come with them. But don't worry, that doesn't matter because I got a lot of other Buzz Lightyear figures that don't have stuff like that. Oh yeah. And what's even cool is you can flip the helmet down and you can, I know you can't really see his thing, but yeah, and there's Tim Allen as Buzz, the one in the official, sorry, pardon me. And you can pop out his wings by pressing the red button on his chest. Oh yeah. And they retract in as well. Lots of cool articulations on this, really love it. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace.